Good morning all of you. Today we are continuing with the last part of our lesson, a small poem, Teamwork, that belongs to Unit 2. This is the totally last part of this poem, and today we will be studying contractions that are present on page number 27 of your English textbook. That is the only part that is remaining of this poem. Starting the lesson. So before, let us just discuss what we studied related to this chapter. First, we have discussed about the poem Teamwork. Then we had studied meanings and remaining part of the lesson. Then mainly in the grammar part, we had discussed about rhyming words. We had studied how to form questions using WH words like what, where, when, how, etc. Then we had studied the picture composition, and last part of the chapter we are studying the contractions. So let us move towards the next part of the contractions. As you can see, we sometimes use short forms for some words. Example, I am, we write it as I am living in London. Okay, I am living in London. So the same, I am and I am means the same. Okay, so instead of using a, we are using an apostrophe mark over there. I have. These are called contraction. The mark, you can see the mark that is called as the apostrophe mark. This means that some letters are left out. What does the apostrophe mark mean? The apostrophe mark means that some letters have been left out. You can see clearly, I am is left out. I have done this work. I have done this work. So HA is left over there. So you can see that, right? Next, let us read this together. We will. You have. We are. There is. Theirs. They are. We have. What have. Cannot. Can't. Okay. So these are the way we are reading. We will. Usually there is no much difference when we are reading. Okay, there is only a slight difference. You have come here today. You have come here today. We are here today. We are here today. There's a ball. There's a ball. They are here today. They are here today. We have done our homework. We have done our homework. What have you done? What have you done? Cannot, can't. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Okay, so just try to read this out from your textbook. Okay, one more time, and just try to understand the differences. Right, this will make you clear with contractions. Okay, let's move towards the next part of our chapter. Right, shall we? Yes, of course. So now we have to write contractions for the following. You can see on the screen, has not. Okay, so has not is written commonly as, we can remove the O over there, so hasn't. Okay, instead of O you can put the apostrophe mark, so has not becomes hasn't. What does has not become? Has not becomes hasn't. Similarly, have not. Have you seen? Have not becomes haven't. Okay, that O is removed, so it becomes haven't. Remove the N in the next part. Do not. So it becomes don't. Okay, are not. So it becomes aren't. What does it become? Aren't. Okay, so you have to write this in your textbook. Those who do not have textbook have to write the answers along with the questions in your notebook. Remember that when you write in your textbook, try to use a pencil. Okay, never use a pen when you are writing in your notebook. Always try that you use a pencil when you are writing in your textbook. Okay, I am not saying about your notebook. When you are writing in your textbook, children, please try that you use a pencil. The reason is that if you are not using a pen, suppose you are writing in a textbook and you are writing with a pen, okay, by chance there is a mistake, okay, then it looks very dirty. It's not easy to rub. So that's why I always prefer to write with a pencil in your textbook. Is it clear? Try that when you are writing, you make very less mistakes or you don't make mistakes at all. Okay? So let us move towards the next part of our chapter. Shall we? Yes. So as we have written, has not becomes hasn't, have not becomes haven't, do not becomes don't, are not becomes aren't. Right? Aren't you coming to Delhi today? Are not you coming to Delhi today? Aren't you coming to Delhi today? Okay? So aren't. Okay, when we are reading, it becomes a little different. Right? You try reading this 3 or 4 more times. Right? Then your pronunciation will become more and more correct. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. Do not, don't. Are not, aren't. Okay? So, aren't. Okay? So, these are the ways you can read. Right? Next, you have to write the full form of the following. Okay? Weren't. Okay? So, it becomes were not. She'll. So, what will this become? She will. Right? Wasn't. So, what does this become? Was not. Right? Whose? Who is. Right? So, let us see one more time. Weren't, were not. They weren't here. They were not here. She'll come here. She will come here. He wasn't there. He was not there. Who's this? Who is this? My dear children, try to repeat this 3 or 4 more times. Then only you can correct the method by which you are saying these words. Repeat these words continuously. They are very easy. You can do it. Okay? So, let us go towards the next part. Now, these are not there in your textbook. These are some extra parts or extra exercises which I have included for you. Shall we try this one more time? We have already seen question formation, studied it well. So, just let us see how to make questions using WH words from these. Okay? Form questions from the following answers. Look at the answers. She is my friend. So, how can you ask this? Who is she? Right? Next, you just try this. Okay? I won't tell you the answers. Just try this. The books are on the table. How can you ask the question? Third one, the birds are flying. How can you ask the question? Fourth one, mother is preparing dinner. Fifth one, We shall go to school. I think most of you can form the questions. So just let us see how we can form the questions. She is my friend. How can you ask it? Who is she? Look at the second one. The books are on the table. Okay. So we know the books are on the table. So how can we ask the question? Where are the books? Right. Third one. The birds are flying. We know that the birds are flying, right? So they are doing some kind of work. So how can we ask the question? What are birds doing? Next, mother is preparing dinner. What is mother preparing? We shall go to school. Where shall we go? So, you can frame the questions using who, where, what, all days. Okay, when. Okay. So, like that questions, WH questions. Try to frame maximum questions. Okay. Next, you have to complete the table of long forms and short forms. I cannot. Second, you can see you haven't. There is. They are. What have. Okay. So just let us see the answers. I cannot. I can't. You have not. You haven't. There is. Theirs. They are. They are. What have. What have. Okay. With this, I am ending today's class. I am waiting for the online class. All of you prepare yourself for the online class and just look at all the contents of this lesson. Okay? Waiting for the online class. Thank you.